Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay, and today, reviewing one of my favorite units, the Binfeng P90 version 4. Actually, I have a version 3 of this one, but there's difference regarding those two, and we will discuss it. First one, this is a all nylon, everything gel blaster. Upper receiver, lower receiver, ABS magazine with fake bullets, and a selector switch of semi, and full auto. I like this unit because of a certain anime. And again, pre-hop up for the first one who can post it, whichever anime is the reason why I like this one. It's very easy. And those already won cannot win again, trades. This one have trades. Let me see. Fabric, blah 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 blah. Hairstyle. This is a not German, Belgium gun. Law enforcement. So it's nice. And see, there's trades here also, but can be seen. It says P90 caliber 5.6 times 28 rounds. So looks nice. Actually, it's only missing the logo here to complete the looks. It has a very large capacity magazine. Just pull this back, and all of these are gels. So really nice. This is a magazine prime type. As you can see, there's a prime terminal. And since this is a not a top loading, it's flat, so there might be some misfeeds depending on the gels that you use. So keep that in mind. And since this is a top loading type, I think you can almost drain everything this one of gels before stopping. And the good thing, cool with this one is that it's like the airsoft variant. You can do splits. On what reason you want to do that, I don't know. But it looks nice. See? Red. It copied the airsoft variant. On why you want to do splits, I don't know. It's a feature. As far as I know, this has a magazine prime, but not working. No magazine prime. Oops. Alright. Pose. There. There's no magazine prime. If I remember correctly, it should have one. Weird. Battery space. It's here in the buttstock. It has no lock, unlike the airsoft variant. It's only using this notch here to lock it. And very limited. So again, it limits your upgrades when it comes to battery. And if your battery is limited, you cannot upgrade it. This version, even the Blitz type doesn't fit. That's sad. I think if you modify it, no, it doesn't fit. Sad. This unit, the version 4, has a MOSFET. which is also a demerit. The MOSFET for this unit is used for the sensing where is the sector spur, bevel, sector spur gear. So it's always for the semi. When it using a Hall sensor, if you sees it, it will stop. So if the MOSFET burns, you can rewire it to normal type, but you will lose the semi. Not unlike the version 3, it's all mechanical. So keep that in mind. This unit has what to call this one? Not 200 FPS. Based on checking, around 240 FPS. This one is already more than a year to me. This is my partner's unit. It's Pank. Pank. I also like Pank. So nice. I think I have 3 P90s now. Alright, so one of these will get sold. I think I'll keep the 2 version 4s. So dual. Upgrades. This is upgradable, but then again, I don't know if I remember correctly, this is a metal gear already or not. Probably not. I think it's nylon. This is technically upgradable, but since it has a special piston cylinder body, not a cylinder head, spur gear, bevel spur, sector gear, if you upgrade it to metal gears, you will lose that semi-function. So, again, keep that in mind. The range of this one, since it's 240 plus, can easily reach my 10-meter mark. And since there's a tank hop up, quite nice. And it's quite silent. It only sounds like this because it's near the microphone, but this sounds so silent. Price, I think this is on sale right now with Hydro Blasters Manila. Again, this is the source. See, 3,500. It's quite cheap. Almost the same price as the TG Air P9. And it looks cool. Cool. Overview. Bullpups are, how to say it, a choice. Not everyone likes it. Mostly they like the M4 variants, but for me, I like the space guns, the weird looking ones. It's really compact, but the barrel is quite long because it's a bullpup. This from here, here's a barrel. So it's really nice. And this one has a thread also. See, thread, but it is moving. I need to seal this. I got distracted. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!